Welcome to the step-by-step guide to BMO Smart Saver, a high-interest savings account designed to help you save money and reach your financial goals. To get started, you will need to open a BMO Smart Saver account, which can be done online or in person at a BMO branch. Once your account is open, you can start making deposits and taking advantage of the high interest rate. The key concept to understand about the BMO Smart Saver account is how the interest rate works. The account earns a high interest rate on all balances, making it an ideal place to save your money. A practical example of how the BMO Smart Saver account works is if you deposit $1,000 into your account, you will earn interest on that $1,000, which will be added to your account on a regular basis. To maximize the benefits of the BMO Smart Saver account, it is a good idea to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you can ensure that you are saving a fixed amount of money on a regular basis, without having to think about it. Another best practice is to take advantage of the mobile banking app, which allows you to easily transfer money, check your balance, and monitor your account activity from anywhere. In terms of key concepts, it is also important to understand the fees associated with the BMO Smart Saver account. There are no monthly fees, but there may be fees for certain services, such as overdrafts or ATM withdrawals. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most of your BMO Smart Saver account and achieve your savings goals. Remember to always monitor your account activity and adjust your savings strategy as needed to ensure you are on track to meet your financial objectives.